We'll guide you through how to change your username on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and change your username. We're going to guide you through this step by step. What we can do is head to the bottom right of Instagram, and there you're going to go and find your profile icon, which you can then go and tap on to get your profile here. So your username is a unique identifier for your Instagram account. Perhaps you want to go and change it because you want to go and rebrand your account, or perhaps you just had it for a long time and so it's a bit childish, a bit embarrassing, or there's another reason why you want to go and change it. Don't worry, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure this full guide and you can then end up with a different username. As I said, it's important to note there's a difference between your username and name. So your username is unique, as I previously said, whereas your name is not. So you can go and see your current username at the top of Instagram. You can go and see mine is just GuideRealm, but just below that, throughout my profile icon, you'll see your Instagram name. That does not have to be unique. So you can see mine's just Tucker there. So you may think you need to go and open up your settings in order to go and change your username, but that is not the case. So all you need to do is on your profile page is you want to go just above your feed, but below your bio and your profile picture and look to the left, and then you should go and see the button for edit profile. You can tap that there. Now you're going to go and see some different options, but if we go and look, the second option or third option, if we include the profile picture, is the option for username. So you can go and tap there. So it's important to know you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. And you'll be able to go and change back to your old name for 14 days. So let's go and say I want to make this GuideRealm Rob. I could type that in. I can then press the tick in the bottom right and I can go and press done. And then it will go and circle, and if it's available, it will go and let me change to it. As you can see, it is, and that is now my username. So it's that simple. In this case, I'll change it back, but you go and get the idea. Hopefully you've managed to go and change it to a username you wanted. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. I post every single day, so I'm sure you'll go and find something useful. Have a great day. Goodbye.